I'm staying here at the Luxor, and we are in room 17053. So, alright, let's scan this key. So as soon as you walk in, we're gonna make a quick left. In here we have the restroom with the big sink, big mirror, and then on this counter they usually put some lotion, some shampoo, some hand soap. They have a blow dryer. Fresh towels for you. So we have that picture frame, of course a toilet. This is our shower. That's a lot of power when that water comes out. Alright, so we're gonna come out of the restroom. And as soon as you come out, there's gonna be a full-size mirror here. And this is a king-size bedroom. Sorry, I had to turn on the lights. So we have a king-size bed. And next to the bed, we do have those side tables with a lamp on each side. And these side tables, they have a safe. And this one, you can put your stuff in. And you have a phone on this side. You can call for room service, for maintenance. And then you have a desk over here. If you want to eat some lunch. And we also have 2 sofas, a little table. And that we're gonna open that in just 1 second. So we have our AC right over here. You have for your luggage. And then we have our TV, a dresser, and a small little closet. And nicely, we have a mirror. And in here you can store all your belongings. It has a iron board if you want to iron, and a iron, which is nice. And we have our TV, USB port, charger. The only downside is that there used to be a mini fridge in here, and they took it out. So yeah, guys, pretty much this is our room. Alright, so lastly, we're gonna go look at that view. Alright, so we do have a city view. And we're high enough that you can see the pool. And we'll be heading down to that pool later on, since it's nice and hot. We checked the temperature. It is 104 today. So we're definitely gonna go take a dip. Alright, so that's it, guys, for the video. I hope you will like the room tour. If you guys ever want to stand at the Luxor, this is a Pyramid King. Alrighty. So there you guys go. Alright, have a wonderful day, and I'll see you guys soon. Alright, bye.